Well, I don't know if any of y'all are restoring Mustangs like I am. I'm trying to use non-imported original sheet metal. It's kind of hard to find one that doesn't have a rot hole right down in here. This one's already drilled out for the aluminum trim that goes on the bottom. It came off of a 289 V8 car. And looking at this emblem, this is where the Mustang horse emblem would be, and this is a small word, one piece that has the word Mustang. And then when you see this up here, this is usually where the GT emblem is. And I don't know if that was added later or not, but there it is. It looks like it had it. Now, finding one that's not wrecked in the front, not rotten or hammered on the top. This one does have some damage across here, and someone tried to do something with it and destroyed the lip, but I believe that can be fixed. But look, no rust up in here, rotted through. Nothing along that apron where it bolts on. And then back to that little emblem there, you can see that it's a little bit different on the fitting, but it's been there a long time. So you can see that this is a very restorable fender. And if I have a 66, I think this will be just fine. It has the letter C 11-2C. So if somebody knows what that date code means, that'd be appreciated if you could just put it in the comments. And the funny thing about this 66 that I'm working on, someone replaced the driver's side door with an orange door at one time. So now I have an orange fender for my little Mustang. This car will probably all get sanded down and eventually become the Highland green that it is originally. But this is just a video I'm making on this fender. I swapped a Greyhound bus sign that I had, got it in a little package deal, and this was sitting at Duke's Antiques in Rye Vista, Texas, and he valued it at about 40 bucks, and I valued it a lot more, and Duke knows that, but I just need date correct fenders, and with it being a 66, almost any date will work. It'd be nice that if it wasn't an early 65 fender. But thanks for watching.